Hello everyone, this is AGTechTube with another quick tutorial. Today I am going to show you how to change default browser in your Windows. So hit the start button, go to settings, and then go to apps. On the left tab, choose default apps. Find the browser. Currently my default browser is Google Chrome. If you press on it, it will show the list of installed browsers in your computer. And let's say we need to change the default browser to Microsoft Edge. Let's select it. Okay. The Windows has set the Microsoft Edge as a default browser. You can come to these default apps in a shortcut. You can just press start button and type default apps and press on it, and it will open the default apps directly. So this is a pretty straightforward process. As always, thank you guys for watching the video. Please subscribe to my channel if you wish to see more of such content. I'm looking forward to catch you in my next videos.